Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Weedeater Attachments is probably one of the most versatile tools in your shed, capable of tackling everything from trimming delicate flower beds to clearing out tough weeds and brush. But with so many options available, choosing the right attachments can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Weedeater Attachments, exploring the different types, their uses, and what to consider when making your selection. Number 5. Weed Warrior Push and Load 3-Blade Trimmer Head. Tired of trimmer lines that just don't cut it? This head is designed to handle heavy weeds and light brush. It comes with durable serrated nylon blades to get the job done. Installing this is a breeze. Simply remove your old head and thread this one on with the included hardware. Changing the nylon blades is also quick and easy. This product is designed to fit almost all brands of gas and cordless trimmers. Whether you have an Echo, Steel, or any other popular brand, it's likely compatible. This is built to meet the high standards of professional landscapers. It's a reliable replacement part for your trimmer or weed whacker, ensuring top-notch performance. Weed Warrior manufactures high-quality accessories. Years of research and development have gone into making this product tough and reliable for use in the field. What we like. This push and load head is a beast when it comes to tackling tough weeds and light brush. The easy blade replacement saves you time and hassle. If you have a yard with thick, stubborn weeds, this is the attachment for you. It will make short work of the toughest jobs. What people say. Fits and works as advertised. Much easier than constantly changing the strings. After ordering a couple other options which did not work, couldn't get them to fit, I hit a home run with this one. It was easy to install on my battery DeWalt weed trimmer, and it worked like a charm. I have a 2-acre pond, and I just went around it trimming pretty thick weeds and small saplings that would have taken out my string trimmer head. I hit branches and cypress knees, and other than making a loud noise, no damage at all. Definitely recommend. Bought it for my 20V DeWalt trimmer, the older non-folding one. Once you find the proper nut in the kit for it, you're pretty much done. It installs in seconds, no tools needed. The initial performance is excellent, it still has lots of power for trimming with the new head. The overall head size is smaller and the blades appear shorter, but because of that it has more cutting force than the original head did. Cuts better now than it ever did before. Number 4. ZZM Trimmer Grip Handle and Shoulder Strap. Tired of back pain while trimming? This ergonomic grip handle attaches to your trimmer, allowing you to maintain a more upright posture. It reduces strain and increases comfort during use. Made from lightweight aluminum, this handle is strong enough for extended use. It adds minimal weight to your trimmer, making it easy to edge and trim. You can easily adjust it to find the perfect position. The included shoulder harness is made of high-quality nylon. It features a breathable mesh pad to reduce fatigue. The adjustable length and quick-release buckle make it easy to use. Installing this handle is simple. It provides a comfortable grip for extended use. The package includes everything you need for easy setup. This trimmer handle is suitable for most trimmer shafts and can be used in various settings. It allows you to easily trim and edge your yard, properties, farm, or garden with ease. We are confident in this product and offer a lifetime warranty. If you have any issues, our team is available 24/7 to assist you. We are committed to providing a better user experience. What we like. This trimmer grip handle is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic design that reduces back strain. The adjustable shoulder harness further enhances comfort during extended use. If you are looking to reduce fatigue and improve your posture while trimming, this is the perfect solution. What people say. I've used this 2 seasons now and it works great. Helps relieve pressure on my back. Easy to install and easy to adjust. Number 3. MaxPower PivoTrim Universal Replacement Head. Introducing the MaxPower PivoTrim, a universal replacement head. This is designed to fit most trimmer models, making it a versatile choice for your yard work. This replacement head accepts both .080 and .095 diameter line. It offers flexibility, ensuring it works with the line you prefer. The PivoTrim cuts with 6 pivoting lines. This design helps to prevent breakage, providing a clean and efficient cut every time. It's quick and easy to install and use. You'll be able to get back to trimming your yard in no time. The package includes premium pre-cut trimmer line. This means you can start using it right away. Made with durable metal. It's built to last, providing reliable performance season after season. What we like. The MaxPower PivoTrim head features pivoting lines that prevent breakage, ensuring a clean cut every time. It fits most trimmer models and is quick and easy to use. If you value a reliable and easy-to-use trimmer head, this is a great choice. What people say. It works great. It cuts great. I have been using this trimmer head on my Echo trimmer for several years and found it to be a very pleasant replacement for the typical two-line bumper style head. Number 2. Darwin's Grip Weedeater Extension Handle. Tired of backaches after mowing? This handle's ergonomic design helps you maintain proper posture. It reduces fatigue, making lawn work much more manageable. This extension handle fits most standard string trimmers. It easily attaches to your equipment, ensuring seamless integration with various models. Made from high-quality, lightweight materials, this handle is both strong and convenient. It's built to withstand frequent use without adding unnecessary weight. Gain ideal balance and stability with this handle. It provides great precision and efficiency while trimming, mowing, or edging, perfect for any user. Simply align the handle with your trimmer shaft to attach it. The handle can be easily adjusted to your ideal angle, minimizing strain and fine-tuning your experience. What we like. Darwin's Grip Extension Handle is engineered to make your posture straight, making lawn work more manageable. It is universally compatible and built for durability. If you like to maintain proper posture and lessen fatigue during prolonged use, you should consider this. What people say. After about 6 hours of mowing with the Darwin's Grip, I find it is definitely what it advertises to be, a way to remain standing more upright as I use the trimmer. It is definitely a positive addition to my FS91R. The whole assembly is very lightweight, and I don't notice any difference with my FS91R, 14 pounds machine, with this installed. Number 1. RYOBI 40-volt cordless string trimmer. This string trimmer is attachment capable. It accepts RYOBI expanded attachments and other universal gas attachments. This feature helps you save time, money, and space. It comes with a 40-volt lithium-ion high-capacity battery. The package also includes a 90-minute charger. This ensures that you have enough power to get the job done. The cutting width is adjustable from 13 inches to 15 inches. This allows you to choose between a longer run time or a wider cutting path. It's designed for your convenience. It features a real easy bump feed string head. This design makes reloading the string fast and easy. You'll spend less time on maintenance and more time trimming. The trimmer has a variable speed trigger. This gives you cutting control. You can adjust the speed to match the task at hand. What we like. This RYOBI trimmer is attachment capable, allowing you to save time, money, and space. It offers cordless convenience with a long-lasting battery and an adjustable cutting width. If you are looking for a versatile and convenient trimming solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Powerful motor and cutting abilities, very easy to assemble. The battery lasts several times longer with the same lawn and edging work. Best brand for trimmer and accessories. Work great, super durable, easy to use, lightweight, and the perfect size, lots of versatility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.